Mipasaka og resolusyon ang sangguniang panglungsod ni Dakbayan sa Osamis piniagi ni Konsehal Cecil Co, Chairman sa Committee on Education, recognizing and commending to the Department of Education Schools Division of Osamis City for having been awarded as the top performing division both elementary and secondary category in 2024 Regional Schools Press Conference RSPC and for having received the award for 10 consecutive years. Ang nasangpit nga resolusyon aprobado kini sa ikaduhang pagbasa o gi-award ngadto sa Division of Osamis pinaagi ni Schools Division Superintendent Nimpal Lago ug mga kauban sa DepEd ug ang maong pasidungog personal kini nga gidawat ni Ma'am Nimpal Lago ug mga kauban atol sa regular session sa sangguniang panglungsod.
I would like to pass a resolution recognizing and commending the Department of Education Schools Division of Osamis City for having been awarded as the top performing division for both elementary and secondary categories in the 2024 Regional Schools Press Conference or the RSPC and for having received the awards for 10 consecutive years to
Si Konsehal Cecil Co, Chairman sa Committee on Education. Alang sa DXDD Radio Campana, ang radyo sa simbahan, WD45 Dudong Barkamento, Danag sa Dakbayan.